welcome back to a new video. This is the first part of a series in which I will be showing you the process of building a gas-powered drill press. So first, some context. I came into the possession of an old lawnmower that has not been used in years, so after taking it apart and going through a few ideas of what to do with it, I came upon the decision to make it into a tool. A tool that I do not own and would otherwise be pretty pricey. And today, we're just going to work on the steel frame for the motor and the pulleys to sit in. After cutting out the angle, I grinded it down just to make sure that the welding would be a little bit easier and it would have a good surface to connect to. I cut out 3 different lengths of this 1/8 inch angle. One's 8 inches, the other's 10 inches, and the last is 13. This angle will make up a frame that I will be welding together. And there it is. After some pretty bad welding and a little bit of a crooked piece of bar, we finally have a somewhat square rectangular prism for our motors and pulleys to sit in. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see the rest of this project, please subscribe below. That's about it.